Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our channel, your trusted space for senior health, strength, and wellness. If you've ever felt stiffness or pain in your knees or hips, you're not alone. These are some of the most common challenges many people over 55 face. And the good news is, there are simple, gentle exercises that can truly help. Today, I'll be sharing 7 safe and effective exercises designed specifically to strengthen weak knees and hips, improve your balance, and make everyday movements like climbing stairs or getting out of a chair feel easier again. So grab a sturdy chair, wear something comfortable, and let's begin. Part 1. Understanding why knees and hips get weak with age. Before we start moving, let's take a moment to understand why our knees and hips often weaken as we age. As we get older, muscle mass naturally declines, a process called sarcopenia. This makes our joints less supported. Combine that with years of sitting, reduced movement, or past injuries, and the muscles around your knees and hips lose strength and flexibility. But here's the encouraging part. Studies show that even light, consistent exercise can rebuild that strength, no matter your age. In fact, according to research published in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy, seniors who performed gentle lower body exercises 3 times a week improved leg strength by up to 30% in just 8 weeks. Isn't that amazing? It's never too late to get stronger. Part 2. Warm up. 2 minutes. Before any exercise, it's important to warm up your joints gently. Let's start with a simple 2-minute warm-up that prepares your knees and hips for movement. March in place, 30 seconds. Stand tall or hold a chair for balance. Gently lift your knees one at a time. Ankle circles, 30 seconds. Lift one foot slightly and make slow circles with your ankle. Switch sides. Hip circles, 30 seconds. Place your hands on your hips and make small, slow circles. Knee bends, 30 seconds. Slightly bend your knees and straighten them again, just like a small bounce. Take deep breaths as you move, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Feel your joints loosening up and your body waking up. Part 3. Exercise number 1, seated leg lifts. Let's begin with our first strengthening move, seated leg lifts. This exercise helps build the quadriceps, the muscles at the front of your thighs, which are essential for supporting your knees. How to do it? Sit tall on a sturdy chair. Keep your back straight and hands on the sides of the chair for support. Slowly lift one leg until it's straight out in front of you. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then lower it back down. Repeat 10 times on each leg. You'll feel the front of your thighs working. Over time, this small move strengthens your knees and makes walking or standing easier. Tip: if you feel any discomfort, reduce your range of motion. Even lifting halfway up is beneficial. Part 4. Exercise number 2, side leg raises. Our second exercise focuses on the hip abductor muscles, the muscles on the outer side of your hips. These help you stay steady and balanced when walking. How to do it? Stand behind a chair and hold it for support. Slowly lift one leg out to the side, keeping your toes pointing forward. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower it down slowly. Repeat 10 times per leg. This simple motion strengthens the outer hip muscles and reduces pressure on your knees. It's perfect for improving balance and preventing falls, something we all want to avoid. Take a short break, shake out your legs, and grab a sip of water. You're already building stronger knees and hips one move at a time. In Part 2, we'll continue with exercises 3 to 7, focusing on gentle standing, seated, and floor movements that target flexibility, circulation, and mobility. Stay tuned, and if you haven't already, Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new wellness video designed just for you.
Evolve, puzzle,